so I'm joining now. Hello, Trader Nick.
In today's video, guys, we're going to be messing with and trolling a scammer in the Forex industry posing as me. It's really creepy because they use my name, my picture, my face to scam unsuspecting individuals through investment scams where basically they get you to send them Bitcoin through some sort of app or whatever. They get you to send them crypto because it's irreversible. You can't refund it, right? And then they block you and they walk away with your money. This is unfortunately a scam that happens every day in the Forex space, in the stock market space. This happens all the time. People get scammed left and right. And we're trying to do our best here by raising awareness, hopefully through an entertaining video where we basically try and waste this person's time. Now in a minute, we're gonna go into the details, we're gonna go into the chat log, and we're gonna get to that teaser moment that you saw in the intro of the video. But before we do, let me just bring you guys a little bit of a warning. We won't ask you guys for a bunch of money to be sent. We will never ask you to invest your money. That is not stuff we do. We don't offer investment. We don't take your money. That's actually illegal in terms of regulation if you're not a regulated sort of fund in the United States. So we don't do that, okay? Second of all, if you would, I'm not telling you that you should do this or that you shouldn't do this, but we are having a lot of fun looking up these fake Trader Nicks and fake A1 trading pages and fake Forex scammers and Bitcoin, gurus on the internet and wasting their time, because the more time we waste of theirs by baiting them and making think we're going to give them money, the more time that we take away from them scamming unsuspecting people who are getting scammed every single day. Not telling you to go do it. I'm just not telling you not to go mess with those scammers, waste some of their time, and may or not deserve getting a little bit of trollery to them, if you will. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Check out some of the scam baiting that Julie did. I'm going to be reading off some of her chats with this fake Trader Nick who is trying to get her to invest 30,000 US dollars. And then he was just going to block her after taking the money and running. This was not me, obviously, because I'm not the one she's chatting with, and he acts like, oh, he's so busy, he can't even take time to chat on the phone or anything like that. Again, if anything feels too good to be true or sketchy or scammy, run the other way, because there's a lot of scams in this industry, and you have to be very, very careful that you don't fall victim to them. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
All right, guys, so let's get right into the messages here. So Julie is the one speaking, and she's chatting with Trader Nick, the other version of myself that I'm not aware of. But this is basically the fake scammer. He's using my name. He's using my pictures and stuff. And they have a Telegram channel that looks a lot like ours, but it's really just a fake one, and they're trying to scam people. So let's get into Julie's messages. It starts out pretty normally. Hello, I want to trade. She asks, are you Trader Nick? And he says, yes. How may I be of help? I did go through high school and college. I took a lot of English classes, and my English teachers, although they never gave me A's anyways, they definitely would be giving me F's for this stuff. How may I be of help? That's broken English, and if you see somebody speaking broken English and they're from the United States, either they're a really lazy texter, or they're just not actually fully English or pretending to be somebody that they're not. So let's go further. How do I know if it's really you? You do not have a profile picture. As if that is a validating, because there's lots of people who use my profile picture. That's Julie, by the way, guys. Julie's kind of a really low-key troll. She's actually like pretty funny with this stuff, and she's just messing with them. And she was telling me all week about their messages, and then she finally was like, I think he's going to get on a call. So we'll get to that point. Let's work into it. So he says, how do I know if it's a real you? Sorry for the late reply. Am a very busy person. I'm not that busy, guys. I do get busy at times, but I'm never so busy that I can't reply. If I usually don't message people privately anyways. Like, I just don't take a ton of time. Like, I don't know why I would spend so much time DMing people unless, you know, this person's trying to get something from you. But anyways, sorry for the late reply. I'm a very busy person. Here's my link. This is not the official A1 Trading. It's not Trader Nick FX Signals. That is not our page. So big disclaimer, go report that and go mess with or maybe don't mess with the person, but yeah, that would be your choice. Let's see. I send free trade calls. The last one I sent was on gold over 250 pips I gave out for free. Now tell me, who else can do that? Well, anyways, we'll keep moving. Well, I guess only you could do that, Trader Nick. What is the win rate of your trades? I do not count win rate. My trade are always on point. Wait. Did he just basically say I have a 100% win rate? What I assure my VIP members is, and here it is, guys. Here's the big reveal, that you are assured of a minimum of $10,000 profit each month. The dollar sign goes on the left. What is your budget? That's very impressive. How can you assure... Pause right here. This is Scammer 101. How can you assure someone a minimum of $10,000 profit each month if you don't even know their budget? Trading 101. It takes money to make money. You can't make $10,000 if you have $10. You can't make it if you have $20. Maybe if you had $100,000, you could make $10,000 a month, right? You have to start asking yourself, like, there's cracks in this guy's logic right from the beginning. That's very impressive. I have about 15,000 to start investing with. And here's Julie on her troll game. She's basically saying, I've got $15,000. And it's always fun when you're messing with these people to kind of wag a bunch of money in their face, because then they're like, oh, shoot, I'm going to be able to scam this money from them. That's why Julie's doing this. So she's trying to bait them. If you can make so much money a month, then why do you run a community? Yeah. Julie's asking these savage questions. If you can make $10,000 a month, you know, that's a good question. If you could make tons and tons of money, why do this for other people? That's not really how trading works, right? Even hedge funds, even the best of traders who trade for other people, right? Hedge funds, investment funds, they take your money, they reinvest it for you, and then they yield you some sort of return. They're not promising anywhere near these sort of numbers. So why would this person be doing it to anybody on the block if they had some sort of secret method? I'm telling you, usually people who have really secret trading methods, because they do exist, people who have like secret strategies that, you know, it's some sort of arbitrage or advanced method, they don't go around throwing it out there for everybody to use or offering it to everybody, because then it would no longer work so effectively. Different people with what they... Hold on, what? Different people with what they do like. Some like getting signals. Others like investing and getting their profit. Wrong there. Some like using auto trades. Some want to be their own... What? Some want to be their own boss. I feel like that's every trader. Every trader would like to have some control over their financial situation. And all you got to do is buy this guy's ginormous whatever package, investment package. We're going to get there. I haven't seen his pitch. All of this is new to me too. I haven't read these. Some want to be their own boss and be a pro trader. I also teach them. So it falls down on what you want. I just love helping people. And there it is. There it is. I just love helping people. Now, in reality, I do enjoy helping people, but let me be completely honest about why I actually create content. Number one, I really do enjoy creating content. I've been studying the markets. I've been learning and improving as a trader myself for years. And I do love helping people, but that's not my only motive. I make money from the stuff that I create. I also enjoy creating the stuff that I make. It also helps me improve as a trader to create content. So it's not 100% selfless either. So let's see what else. So how do I know that this is not a scam? Julie asks. I'm just worried to put my money in something if I'm not sure if it's real. I've been saving this money up for a very long time. You are in Save's hands. You have nothing to worry about. How do I know? Says Julie. You can see countless testimonies on my free channel. They were just like you at first. What? Will you like to invest or trade yourself? Can you show me proof that it is really you, Trader Nick? I would like to invest. Where are you from? That is a wise choice. Of course it is, because with investing, it's like, oh, here's my whole portfolio, and then they just block you and take your money through Bitcoin. I'm from California in the United States. Where are you from? I have over 100,000 plus followers and increasing each day. I will not have so much people on my channel if I'm not delivering in my promises. Ooh, that's an interesting one. There's lots of people who have ginormous followings and they are frauds or fakes. And I don't say that lightly because I am very proud of my audience, but it doesn't necessarily mean that if somebody has an audience that they're the some sort of magical trader that makes zillions of dollars. So we can debunk that right then and there. And I would definitely not tout that my audience means I'm an incredible trader. I think that having an audience just shows that, you know, hopefully I know one or two things more than the average person at least, but that's after a lot of work and a lot of time in this stuff. I'm curious, why do you have so few views on your channel? And Julie's reflecting in their fake channel, they get like no views because the followers of that account are all fake. Just write me directly because they were referred by an old investor with me. I don't even know what he's saying, and go back to their normal life. After they start investing with you, they start an investment check. Oh my goodness, this is funny. Okay, so you are assured of your capital. You don't have to worry. Okay, cityindex.online. What is that? Open your investment account. Oh, I think this is what he does is he collects your payment through this thing. You know what? Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up and see. What was it? Cityindex.online. Is it still up? Cityindex.online brings us to, look at this incredibly thorough website. Okay, join the elites now. Okay, so I think what happens if we click around on this? Is this a legit broker? Is this an affiliate link? No, look at this. The index-2/HTML. That's the homepage, really? So I think somewhere along the lines, do you invest? Like, what do you... Interesting. I'm not really sure if this is a legit page. It doesn't look like it. Cityindex.online, not sure. Let me know if you guys find that out in the comments, but or if that page is still up by the time you see the video. You get 40% of your invested money, which is 40% of your $15,000. What? You get 50, okay. Do you mean 40% of what profits you make for me? Daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your choosing. Trader Nick, I'm confused. I thought you ran A1 trading. Okay. Now we're getting to the real confrontation. Julie's busting down the door on this guy and saying, hey, I thought you ran A1 trading, not City Index HTML-2, the website. So Julie starts linking the page, the YouTube channel. Yes, that is for people that want to learn how to trade. Do you understand? You have never talked about City Index before. What the heck is City Index? Like, seriously, where'd you get that name? Yes, I keep my investors private. You only know if you're interested. You can only know about this investment, guys, if you are interested. If everyone know about it, the safety of my investment will not be private. All right, I'm going to move on before I get annoyed on that. Okay, but I thought you said on your YouTube channel that profits are never guaranteed. They're never ever guaranteed. Julie spelled guaranteed wrong, though. It's okay. It's okay. Her English is a million times better than Trader Nick. So, anyways, but for people wanting to learn how to trade, he has A1 trading. That's why that exists. Got it. Okay. We actually don't teach people necessarily how to trade. We just offer a community and some software tools. So I'm going to know all the errors in his things because I actually run the business, but interesting that I guess he knows about us. He's done a little bit of research in it. He cannot guarantee their profit, but if people copy all of his trades, he can guarantee profits. Okay. Never, ever. You can read the fine print on any broker, on any investment, and any hedge fund. And it will always tell you that there is never a guarantee of money. Like that is never in markets. There's always the hidden curveball, black swan event that could theoretically happen, not likely to happen, but possible to happen that would make profits not guaranteeable or certified or certain, right? Can you send me a picture of you so I know it's really you and you are assured of your capital back? I will do more than sending you my picture. I will send you a meeting link on Zoom. And this is where we're going to get to the next clip that we filmed, and then I'll show you guys that. That will be when I am free, okay? So you don't have to worry. And guys, the video is so creepy. It's so creepy. You're going to see it in a minute, but like this guy uses, I'll let you see it. Just wait till you see it. The video he uses of me is really creepy. When I was watching Julie do it in the office, I got like actually kind of like, ooh, I got nervous. That is okay. We send you a Zoom meeting link when I'm free. Okay. Have a great day. We see you on video meeting later in the day. Okay, great. If I can get to meet you on Zoom, I may be willing to put more money into the investment as well because I will really be able to trust you. Julie is just savage, you guys. Don't ever cross Julie because she will cut you down. She will cut you down with this baiting. Okay, you will. We'll send you a link when I'm free. Later today? Yes. Nice. Where are you from, Nick? Hello. Sorry, I've been very busy. Let me show you my face live on cam using Zoom meetings so you know I am real. Are you online so I can send you the Zoom meeting link? He didn't not come online. What? You didn't not come online. All right. Hello. Trader Nick says, hello. Hello, Trader Nick. Can you Zoom call now? When I was less busy, I didn't hear from you again. I'll be free in the next hour or two. I will send you a meeting link. Just make sure you're online, okay? I am. Where is the Zoom link? I am free now and ready to invest. Julie says in a very polite manner, hello. I want to invest now. I'm a little busy now. When I'm free, I'll send you a link. Okay, so here... What is this? Julie, what is this right here? Okay, I'm a little busy. I'll be free in an hour. Okay, I'm so sorry, master. What is that? I'm so sorry, master. This is actually an inside joke. Somebody once called me master as a... I don't think it was a joke. I think they were serious, but I think there was like a language barrier. So Julie and I have this like running joke, and everyone in the office, we have like this running joke of calling each other master as like this almighty kind of funny nickname. But anyways, so Julie says, I'm so sorry, master. And this is where he sends the link. So that's, he says, please join fast. I have so many things doing. Thank you so much, Trader Nick. Please give me a second to get set up. Please be fast. I just want you to see me live so you do not have any doubt. Hope you're okay now. Okay, and you're going to see the video in a second. There's a reason he's saying like, oh, do this quickly. It's because the video he shows us, or what he shows us on the Zoom call, is really strange. So let's see the last things Julie said here, and then we'll jump in. Trader Nick, I need to talk to you on the phone. I've managed to pull together $30,000. So baiting more, and I think he sees at this point you not sending me money. I think we'll get to this in just a second. But real quick, before we go to the rest of these messages, let's roll the interaction with this gentleman, Trader Nick. Okay?
So I'm joining now. Fine.
Okay, I'll just jump in if there's an opportunity.
Am I okay to sit here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy.
So nervous.
They're scumbags.
Hello, Trader Nick. Trader Nick.
Wait.
Why aren't you saying anything? Trader Nick?
Second. He's still on the call?
It kicked me out.
I just missed the camera.
Oh.
He was using an old video of me
I think he was using like a live, and so it was like a live video of
Like
from like
playing.
when you know what the beginning of your live videos when you have
Yeah.
like a second.
Yeah, that
When
was
you're
like
waiting
an
for
old
everyone?
video that he's just like used in the thing. See if he picks up again.
I keep launching it, and now it's saying medium ID is not valid.
What?
I'm going to send it something else.
That just shocked me.
Yeah, that was really strange. Creepy.
He really is trying hard.
I know.
He said, I said, I've managed to pull together $30,000 to invest with you, but I would like to ask you a question on the phone first. And he said, you're not sending me money. You are investing your money. And I said, I saw it was you, but I'd like to ask you a question, just trying to see if I could get his just voice on there. He says, I don't even allow meeting on Zoom.
But
he
it was
just
like, and it was like a loop too. Like I saw it like loop. Like it was like your face going like,
Is it-
and then it like jumped back. He's like putting the blame on me. He's like, if you don't want to go on, that's fine. Like that's your money. Like your loss, kind of thing. But I'm just like, he said, have a nice day. You're taking too much of my time. But Dang.
Do you want to send him a video of me saying like, "Thanks for your business," or something like, "Thanks for your time. I didn't mean to waste it."
Yeah, that's funny.
I don't want to get like the camera in the background too.
That looks terrible.
Hey Trader Nick, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, Nick. I appreciate it, man. So afterwards, he says, "You're investing your money, or you are not sending me money. You are investing your money. I really do not have that time. Can I talk to a representative on our team?" We tried to get him to show his face or his voice, but he wouldn't do it. "I don't even allow meeting on Zoom. I just did it so you know your money is safe. If you do not want, you can go on with the investment is up to you." And then, yeah, he says, "Can we do a second more? I've done my part. What about a representative? I cannot do Zoom meeting with over 20,000 people." 20,000 people Zoom meetings? Just to prove I am me. If you want, I will never have to, like, you shouldn't have to be proving who it is. If there's like that sort of concept in the mix when you're chatting with somebody, it's sketchy. If you ever want to know someone's real profiles, you can just look at like their links or their website, and they usually have it posted up. We have it all over the site and on our socials, okay? Our legit socials, but you can always double check with the official thing. Okay, now here's that clip that Julie and Emily and I made in the office. We said, "Thanks, Trader Nick," and we sent a message from us. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much everything. We mess with this guy, and hopefully he spends a little bit less time messing with other people because of us. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you actually want trading content. We do these every once in a while as well, just because they're fun. But yeah, thanks so much, and peace.